The list of Dole's accomplishments last year is nothing to sneeze at. 2,000 job fairs held for 100,000 applicants, 60,000 hired on the spot for starters. Then there are 100,000 labor cases resolved and tens of thousands of successfully repatriated OFWs from war-torn places reintegrated back with local jobs and livelihood. PTV's Bien Manalo has more to add in this report.
The Department of Labor and Employment will continue to improve services and programs that provide more opportunities for Filipinos to make a living. As part of the 8-point socio-economic agenda of the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Due to the advent of technology, the DOLE will strengthen employment human resources development while providing technical skills and trainings to workers. Further attention will focus on protecting the rights and welfare of Filipino workers. Last year, the DOLE resolved over 100,000 labor cases. Interaction with the international community will also be strengthened.
Ang pangunahin kami ay makatulong doon sa realisasyon ng layunin at hikain ng ating Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na makabawas sa poverty incidence sa pagkakaloob ng ikangay maasahang tulong galing sa DOLE.
More job fairs will be held. Last year, the DOLE sponsored nearly 2,000 job fairs in different parts of the Philippines, and more than 60,000 were hired on the spot. Priority will also be given to providing assistance to those severely affected by the closure of POGOs in the country under Project DAPAT. In addition, public-private partnership will also be bolstered, as well as retooling, upskilling, and retraining for all Filipino workers. Also, the career counseling and support development program for the youth.
Makatulong na sa pamamagitan din ng mahigpit at matibay na ugnayan sa pribadong sektor na makalikha ng mas maraming dekalidad at permanenteng trabaho.
Providing livelihood assistance to the vulnerable sectors such as senior citizens and persons with disabilities will receive even more support, and ramping up digitalization in all agency services as part of ease of doing business, improving the TUPAD program and strengthening the Expand Kadiwa program in cooperation with the Department of Agriculture. From PTV Manila, Bien Manalo, Balitang Pambansa.